Hi, I'm Jimmy, and today we will take a look at our new dust extractor. Let's get right to it. This is the Mirka DEXOS 1230M AFC, a powerful, professional-grade dust extractor with a big capacity, automatic filter cleaning, and flexible workstation capability. This DEXOS is possible to get in 3 different versions. One with only the dust extractor, one with the dust extractor and hose, and one with the dust extractor, hose, and a sleeve solution. Let's take a closer look what's in the box. Inside, you will of course find the unit itself, along with a high-quality anti-static hose, power cord, dust bag, filter, which comes already inserted inside the unit. And if you want, you can upgrade your DEXOS to a workstation by getting the workstation from our website. Now, what exactly is a DEXOS? It's our new generation dust extractor platform, built around smart functionality, optimized airflow, and seamless integration with tools and digital systems like myMirka. The DEXOS features a brushless 1200 watt motor, which has up to 5 times longer lifetime than a regular motor. The DEXOS 1230M takes all that, then gives you more. First, the 30-liter dust container offers nearly double the capacity of the 1270, meaning fewer bag changes, better support for longer jobs, or high-volume material removal. Second, the model is designed to become a modular workstation. By getting our workstation, you can mount tool holders, organize accessories, or create a compact mobile workspace tailored to your needs. In another video, I will show you how to assemble the workstation. So, no matter the work, the DEXOS 1230M gives you a smarter, more powerful foundation for working dust-free.